Ni utumi wa irembeko cia maniuru na kanua iria ratwarithio na mbere niguo kugiririria gutamba kwa homa ya coronavirus. Ni mihango ya gutuma irembeko cia maniuru na kanua iria ratafanio ni arutwo a thukuru cia kothi cia moko hamwe na atumi aria mari na umenyo ta uria murugamiriri munene wa mathukuru ma kothi cia moko thirikari-ini ya Naikuru David Mwangi aratariria.
We are involved in mass production of face masks for distribution to the public free of charge. This is an initiative of His Excellency the Governor, who has ordered the vocational training centers to do the mass production so that the needy people can be assisted with these masks, those ones who can't afford them.
Kuringana na Mwangi, marina itanya ria gutuma irembeko 50,000 oro kiumia thiini wa thukuru ici 11 guku akiuga irembeko ici ni ikinyanire ikiro iria irendekithio ni Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri.
Our target is 10,000 masks per day with a target of weekly 50,000, and after that we present them to the county for onward distribution to the public who need these masks.
Evans Onyanchoria ni mutumina mwarimu thukuru-ini wa Barut augite ni ikinya ririgirirwo guteithiriria na njira nene itanya ria thirikari ria kuheana irembeko kuri muingi undu umwe na gukuri iheo na uthunduri bururi-ini.
Chain producing, so one operator, that's give one operation and then he gives to the next operator. That's why maybe we are the number is increasing as they adjust every day.
Maya magithiaga na mbere gikundi ya tasks for mask kiria kiambiriirwo ni airitu eri aria ciari ao maciaranirwo kana cousins ni mambiriirie mubango wa kuheana irembeko cia maniuru na kanua mugiko-ini iria gathikitwo barabara-ini ya Blue Post hamwe na ceceni ya borithi ya Kariobangi ya Rugongo kahinda-ini gaka bururi uthiite na mbere na kwitana coronavirus. Kiaria hindi ya kuheana irembeko ici kuri borithi maugite maratanya kuhe irembeko ici kuri aria matehotete micii ya ciana cia ndigwa na maabithaa a ugitiri aria mari muhari-ini wa mbere kuhurana na coronavirus. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Maina.